Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can humanize AI text for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use Humanize AI. Okay, you can visit this website and then you can sign into this website with your Google account. And then I'm going to humanize my AI text. Wait, okay guys, I have just created the text with ChatGPT and I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it on the website. Okay, we can insert the text here and then we can select Humanize AI. Okay, and wait guys, it's still loading. If you want to get faster responses, you can upgrade the Humanize AI. Okay, and now my text is ready. And then here we can click on this copy button to copy the text. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.